The ocean hides secrets beyond imagination. Beneath the waves, far from the sight of humans, lives a creature so small that most people will never notice it. Because what this tiny hunter is capable of almost sounds impossible cc to the power of 1 cubed. Imagine placing your finger inside a glass aquarium. A creature no longer than your hand slowly emerges from its burrow. It has no sharp teeth, no enormous jaws, no poisonous fangs. Nothing about its appearance suggests danger. And yet, one strike from this animal could shatter the shell of a crab, break open hard-shelled prey, and unleash forces so powerful that they continue fascinating scientists around the world. Its punch accelerates faster than the blink of an eye, faster than many bullets leave their target. For a fraction of a second, the water around its fist becomes something extraordinary. It flashes. It heats. It erupts with incredible force. It almost seems as though the ocean itself explodes. How can an animal weighing only a few hundred grams produce such unbelievable power? How can something so tiny generate forces that engineers still study today? Nature rarely follows our expectations. Sometimes, its greatest weapons come in its smallest packages. This is the mantis shrimp, one of the most extraordinary animals ever discovered beneath the sea. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover why its eyes have no equal, why its punch defies belief, and why this colorful little predator is changing the way scientists design the technology of tomorrow. Once you understand how it lives, you'll never look at the ocean the same way again. If you think the mantis shrimp's punch is its greatest weapon, think again. Because hidden above those powerful striking clubs is something even more astonishing. Its eyes. Scientists have spent years studying them, and many still describe them as the most extraordinary eyes ever discovered in the animal kingdom. Unlike our eyes, each of the mantis shrimp's eyes moves completely independently. While one eye looks forward, the other may be watching above or scanning behind. It's almost as if two different animals are looking in different directions at the same time. Very few creatures on Earth can do anything like this. Human beings see only a tiny part of reality. Our eyes detect just 3 primary colors. But the mantis shrimp sees a world that is completely different. Colors beyond our imagination. Patterns invisible to us. And even forms of light that human eyes can never detect. To the mantis shrimp, the ocean looks nothing like it does to us. Each eye works almost like its own brain, constantly analyzing movement, distance, light, and color. Every second, long before its prey even realizes danger, the mantis shrimp has already calculated exactly where to strike. Nature has spent millions of years perfecting this remarkable hunter. And once its eyes lock onto a target, everything changes. Because what happens next takes less than the blink of an eye. Most powerful animals rely on muscle alone. The mantis shrimp does something entirely different. Hidden inside its striking arm is a remarkable biological mechanism. Instead of punching using muscle power alone, just like compressing a powerful spring, for several seconds, everything remains perfectly still. But inside, an incredible amount of energy is waiting to be released. Then, in less than the blink of an eye, the spring releases. Its striking club accelerates with astonishing speed, so fast that the movement is almost invisible to the human eye. The entire strike is over before most animals even realize it has begun. But the impact isn't the only thing that makes this punch extraordinary. The strike moves so quickly through the water that it creates tiny bubbles, a phenomenon known as cavitation. When those bubbles collapse, they release an intense burst of energy. For an instant, temperatures inside those collapsing bubbles can reach thousands of degrees, comparable to the surface of the sun. Although the effect is microscopic and lasts only an instant, it demonstrates just how extraordinary this tiny hunter's strike really is. In many cases, the prey is struck twice. First by the powerful club itself, and then by the collapsing cavitation bubbles that follow immediately behind. It's an extraordinary combination of biology and physics, working together in perfect harmony. You might think such an incredible weapon would make the mantis shrimp unstoppable. But life beneath the reef is never that simple. Even one of nature's most powerful hunters must fight to survive. The mantis shrimp reminds us that nature's greatest marvels are often hidden in the smallest creatures. No bigger than your hand, yet equipped with vision unlike almost any other animal, and a strike powerful enough to challenge what we thought was possible. Beneath the waves, countless mysteries still remain, waiting for those curious enough to discover them. This is only one of nature's incredible stories. Join us on RSA Terrafiq as we uncover the next one.